What's up, nerds? This is Mr. Storm, and this is an introduction to your word processing class. So, we're going to talk about what this class is. We're going to determine whether or not you should be in this class, because you may have taken this class thinking it was something, and then it turns out it's something else, and you probably want to do something else, something different. That's fine. Well, we're going to talk about it. We're going to go over the disclosure. We're going to talk about the schedule and what assignments you're going to be completing and when and all that stuff. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about the disclosure. Let me pull that up really quickly. Okay. So this is, nope, that's not digital marketing. Why is this? Yeah, I just forgot to change that. Let me change that. Oh, right now. That's embarrassing. Oh, well, ignore that. So this is word processing. The course description. This is a course that focuses on improving your skills and your speed in computer keyboarding, right? In typing. The whole first term of this class is focused on typing. If you already type faster than 35 words per minute, let me say that again. If you already type faster than 35 words per minute, then I'm going to recommend that you take a different class. Okay? This class is not for you. This class is focusing on people who do not have those skills yet. This is a class that's going to build those skills, right? The first term is all typing drills and learning how to type in a way that improves your speed and practice. So if you already type quickly, you're going to be bored the first term. And when you get bored, you're going to start, setting things on fire and doing all that kind of crazy stuff. This isn't the class for you. You want to take something else. But if you do need help with typing, perfect place for you to be. Okay. You're also going to learn advanced concepts in word processing software, and you'll produce documents in many standard academic formats. So we're going to look at APA, MLA, stuff like that. There is no textbook for this class, so you don't need to bring anything to this class other than a pair of headphones. If you want to use your own headphones, that's fine. You can bring your own headphones, but you don't have to bring anything else. Just come to this class ready to go. Let's see. You can do all of the work in this class at home if you have the required software. But I will give you plenty of time in class to do all this stuff. You're not really going to have to use your own time as much, unless you're really just not doing anything in class. And if that's the case, then I'll talk to you and we'll put you on the right track. You will be doing something every day you come into this class. There aren't going to be no days where you're just sitting down not doing anything. Okay? Those days don't exist. School is a professional environment, and you will be doing something productive every single day, even if you are a little ahead of the schedule, because you are allowed to work faster than my schedule. If you're ahead, then you're going to be doing something productive with that time. You will be learning something. Okay? And we'll talk about that in class. All assignments are due at 11:30, the day that they're assigned. So the day that the day on the schedule is the day that it's due, and it's due by 11:30 p.m. So you have time to work on it at home if you can't get it done in class, but there's really no assignments that you're going to struggle with as far as that goes. So you'll be fine. All assignments are required to be turned in, and they are all required to be turned in on time. Okay? If you are the kind of person that's still struggling with turning in assignments on time, look at this as an opportunity to stop doing that. Make a decision right now that this is going to be the year that you stop doing that. Whatever you have to do to get your assignments in on time, you're going to do it. Okay? Because this is not a habit that you want to bring with you into the workplace. If you do turn in an assignment late, then I will send an email to your parents, your guardians, and you. And I will let you know. I will remind you that, hey, you got to turn in your assignments on time, man. If it continues to be an issue, and if it's something that, I have to address every time we have an assignment, then I'm probably going to work out a time when I can talk to your parents and we can work out a way to help you be successful in this class and turn in your assignments on time. We will work together to solve this problem. But I'm pretty sure you don't want to have that meeting because it's uncomfortable. But I am here to help you. That's my job. So if this is something you struggle with and you need my help, let me know. I'll help you with it. But you are required to turn things in on time, because if you don't, then your grade for that assignment will be recorded as an M, which is a missing assignment. And that missing assignment is going to be a 0 in the grade book, meaning your grade is going to get taken down pretty deep. Now, you still can turn it in. That's fine. You can turn in late assignments. I'm okay with that. I want you to turn in all your assignments. So yeah, you can turn in your late assignment, but it will only be worth a maximum of 75%, just because it's late. That's the little tax that you have to pay for not being responsible. And when you do turn in late assignments, you must send me an email letting me know that you turned in your assignment late. Okay? That email must tell me what the assignment is. It must tell me what class you're in, meaning like what period. So you're in A1, B2, whatever. And it must tell me that you're in word processing. Okay? I need those 3 pieces of information so that I can update your grade. The other thing I need is your emails must be professional, meaning no spelling errors, follow all grammar and syntax rules. And you also must put a subject line in your email. If you don't have a subject line in the email, I will delete it. It's a security issue, right? I don't open emails that don't have subject lines. That's just a cybersecurity thing. So it won't even get to me. I'll delete it before I even see who it's from, before I even see what the message is. Make sure you put a subject line in your emails. Plagiarism. Plagiarism is not tolerated whatsoever in any professional environment, including Utah Military Academy. If you plagiarize, you will be found. It will be found out. There's just no way to plagiarize and get away with it these days. Okay, I will know if you plagiarized your work. You'll automatically get a 0. Doesn't matter what the reasons are. Okay, I've heard all of the excuses before, but it doesn't matter, right? If you plagiarized, it'll automatically be a 0 without the possibility of making up that work. And you'll be referred to the office, right? They'll do their thing with you. But as far as my end goes, I will find it and you'll get a 0. The rest of this is you can read this on your own, but basically just says, I was in the United States Air Force. I'm a former military member. And so I take the dress and appearance and customs and courtesies pretty seriously. But I know a lot about it. I know a lot about how to follow the rules and how to wear the uniform properly and all that. So if you have questions about it, come talk to me and I'll help you. And if I see you doing something incorrectly, I will point it out and I will help you fix it. Okay? I know that for some of you, this is a pretty steep learning curve. You've never been in a situation like this before. So I'm not here to bring the hammer down on you because you forgot to wear a belt. But I will let you know, hey, I see that. I notice, right? And I'll remind you of the rules. Okay, my job is to try to help you to get better. And so that's my style. I will point it out if it's wrong. And if I see it, I will point it out. But it's not because I don't like you. It's not because I think you're a terrible person. It's because I'm trying to help you get better at doing this stuff, right? So that's pretty much it for the disclosure. That's pretty much it for the disclosure. Sorry, I'm trying to talk faster than my mouth can actually go. That's bad form, by the way. Let's talk about Google. Actually, let's look at the schedule. So at this point, you have access to all of the material that you need to complete the entire class. Both terms, actually. The whole class is on Google Classroom already. You can work through it as quickly as you want. As long as you're meeting the deadlines, you can go through it as quickly as you want. But if we look at the schedule, you'll see that the first term is really, like I said, it's working on typing. It's working on improving your skills in typing, because in the second semester, you're going to be doing a lot of work that requires you to type a lot. For example, you'll be writing a short story. You'll be, creating a playbill. You'll be making a newsletter. You'll be doing, you'll be doing all kinds of stuff that require actually typing. And you'll be writing a research paper. Okay. So you'll be doing a lot of typing in this class. That's kind of the point. So again, if you already type faster than 35 words per minute, you're going to want to take a different class. This class isn't going to be for you. But that's the schedule. Those are the due dates. That's when things are going to be due. Now, for the first term, for the majority, actually for all of first term, we're going to be using a website called typing.com. And in the next video, I will actually show you how to use typing.com, how to set up your account, and all of that stuff. I'll be walking you through that in the next video. But that's pretty much what you're going to be doing for the whole first term, is using typing.com, practicing, running through the drills, doing all that kind of stuff. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please come talk to me. I will help you out in any way that I can. My goal is to help you be successful. So whatever I need to do to get you there, please come let me know, right? Because I don't know what you need help with unless you ask. But that's it for me. I will see you next time. Thanks for paying attention.